Cuisinart has combined the desire for an at-home espresso brewing system and the love for espresso with the espresso-defined espresso machine. This professional quality espresso machine will become the centerpiece of your kitchen. Create single or double espresso in a matter of minutes. The espresso-defined espresso maker is fully programmable with a digital LCD screen, 19 bars of pressure. This unit produces a smooth, rich, and intense flavor in every cup. Preset and menu options let users adjust espresso volume, brew temperature, and standby time. The automatic capsule disposal system ejects used capsules right into an internal waste bin for little to no cleanup. Espresso Defined comes equipped with a removable 24-ounce water reservoir for up to 16 single espressos and a removable drip tray to insert taller mugs when needed. The Espresso Defined is compatible with Nespresso Original Line capsules. From start to finish, it couldn't be easier to make delicious espresso by bringing the coffee shop into your home.
The perfect morning coffee starts with freshly ground beans. A shot of espresso that flows like warm honey. And silky microfoam for that barista quality milk. You can now make third-wave specialty coffee at home with ease, with 3-second heat-up time and automatic steam wand. The Bambino Plus, small in size, big on taste. Compact without compromise.